Welcome back to my channel where we are taking the stress out of our Christmas by getting our Christmas food prep done. And today it's all about honey roasted carrots and parsnips. Now there's actually two ways you can prep these in advance. The first way is anytime up to 2 days before, so from the 23rd, you could simply peel and chop your carrots and parsnips, leave them in some cold water in the fridge. Then they're ready to go straight in the oven with some oil, seasoning, maybe a little bit of nutmeg, and you can then roast them. Or you can get them prepped now and instead have them ready to roast straight from frozen. Okay, so if prepping in advance, peel and chop your carrots and parsnips the same as you normally would. Now, it might be controversial, but I do prefer to blanch my carrots and parsnips, especially if freezing and prepping ahead of time, just so they don't need as long to cook on the day. Now, once you've peeled and halved or quartered your carrots and parsnips, blanch them in some boiling water for just 2 minutes, and you can then use the same bowl you used for the sprouts, just refill it with some cold water and a bit more ice. Now, once the 2 minutes is up for the carrots and parsnips, transfer them to the iced water again to stop the cooking process and leave for a couple of minutes. Drain them, pat them dry, and then you'll want to coat them in oil before freezing so they're ready to cook straight from frozen. So using a slotted spoon, transfer them to a lined baking tray and again freeze them solid like this, and once they're frozen you can transfer to a freezer bag, which will take up so much less room in your freezer. On Christmas Day, cook straight from frozen. Now I do add a drizzle more oil, you don't have to, and they cook for around 45 to 50 minutes at 200 in a fan oven, and make sure you add a drizzle of honey 5 minutes towards the end. You won't regret it. I hope you found today's video useful. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to see what else you can prep ahead to take the stress out of Christmas Day.